everybody, you're back with Ashley from Enlighten Education Trust, and today we are going to be doing the last in our mandala series, and we are going to be ending our series with linear or geometric patterns that we are going to include in our mandala. After we have finished with our mandala series, we've got one last video, and that video is going to be when we make up our mobile. So the mobile is for the grade 4s, term 2s, but of course anybody can make a mobile. And I would like to encourage you to go back and just check that you've actually made a small mandala for each of the mandala videos that we've done previously. Okay, so today, geometric or linear patterns in radiating circles. We are going to be using African patterns and African designs as our inspiration today. So previously, I did show you this beautiful basket. And we can see this comes from the north of South Africa, and the patterns are particularly African. We could look at geometric shapes, linear patterns like a dartboard. You could make your geometric patterns like a pie going outwards, or something very perfect, looking concentric perfect circles. But for now, we are going to look at African patterns as our inspiration. In terms of color theory, we've covered quite a lot. We've looked at primary colors, at secondary colors, at related colors, at complementary colors, at neutral colors. And today we are going to look at natural colors. So in other words, we're going to be using materials that are made from natural things. So before we start our mandala, I'd like you to collect your materials. The first thing is going to be some coffee. And your coffee is going to be mixed with a little bit of water. And I'd also like you to get some tea. So I've put 2 tea bags in here, so it's quite strong. So we've got a light brown and a dark brown. And I've got some turmeric, which I have mixed with some water to create a lovely earthy mustard color. And I've also got some beetroot juice, which makes a beautiful maroon color. And I'd also like you to get some charcoal if possible. Now, charcoal is made from the willow tree. It is quite expensive at the art shop. You can actually make your own charcoal from burnt firewood or from briquettes. And if you soak this in sugar water, then you will get a charcoal that you can actually use for art purposes. So for now, I'm going to be using the normal charcoal from the art shop, but again, you can make your own. Right, so I'm excited to get started, and I would like you to meet me back here in a minute, and we are going to look at linear patterns and radiating patterns.